Welcome everybody to Gus Brown Buick GMC here in Port Perry. Take a look at this value find. This is a 2016 Ford Taurus Limited V6. Only 146,000 kilometers on this full-size luxury sedan. Wait until you see all the great features on the inside and the incredible condition. And that's what we're going to do today. Show you all of that so you can get a great look at it from the comfort of your own home, and then head here to Gus Brown in Port Perry to take it out for a spin. Now, underneath the hood, like I said, it's a 3.6 liter V6 engine connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's got lots of power, yet it does sip fuel. It is pretty darn good. Now, you can see from the side profile, full-size sedan, 5 adult passenger seating, very, very comfortable, especially when you see some of the cool features inside. Up front, we've got these great looking 20-inch alloy wheels. Again, this is the limited model, so it is the fully loaded version. Cool little Taurus badge in the fender, chrome mirror caps up top. And then as we head around to the side, there's a nice little lip spoiler on the back. And then the rear taillights. I swear everybody knows the Ford Taurus taillights. Maybe because it used to be a cop car. Not this one in particular, but you know, they used to drive around in the Taurus. Back here, we've got dual exhaust because it is the V6. The limited badge, and everything looks really nice and neat and tidy. Popping open the trunk, you can see there's lots of room in there as well, like more than lots of room. So if you are carrying around sporting equipment or things like that, you've got all the space you need. Coming around to the passenger side, so you can see all 4 corners and the great condition. Again, only 146,000 kilometers on this, which is really, really low kilometers. And then up to the front, nice looking front grille. Good looking headlights as well. Now let's go take a look on the inside. We'll start off with the back seats and then work our way up front. So in the back, you can see the Limited gives you this leather seating. These are heated rear seats. This is a non-smoker vehicle. Big center armrest here that folds down. We've got our heated seats in the back. And then we also have rear ventilation back here, so everybody's gonna be super nice and comfortable. Now up front, we have the power tilt and slide sunroof. I was gonna say power tilt and telescopic, that's the steering wheel, we'll get to that. Leather seating, heated and air conditioned seats up front, so you even have the ventilation on these seats. It is a power driver's seat with a 2-driver memory system as well. And then check this out. Here is our power, tilt, and telescopic steering wheel, and even adjustable pedals. So you can bring the pedals forward and back. I mean, talk about getting just the right seat position. That is gonna be fantastic. And again, that's all hooked up to the memory system. So the seat, the steering wheel, the pedals, the mirrors, all part of that memory system, which is really, really cool. Now, inside here, you can see the leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control on the wheel, radio controls on the other side. We even have this nice little wood grain trim on the top, which, let's face it, feels super nice on your fingertips up top here. Really cool. Here is our driver's gauges. Look at the odometer, 146,915 kilometers. Unbelievable. Our navigation, you can go through here and kind of go through what you'd like to see on the right-hand side. You can do the same thing with the left-hand side, show your fuel economy, your driver assists, all that kind of cool stuff. So you can see there's traction control, blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alert, the rear parking aid. So it does have some nice, good safety features. Now, the infotainment system, you can see right there, the Sony audio. We also have a CD player in this for some of us who still have those kicking around. We have XM satellite radio. We have onboard navigation. And then we've got a clear rear view camera. Even the climate control is in the touchscreen if you like, and you'll notice the air conditioned seats or the heated seats, which, let's face it, love having air conditioned seats. It's finally the time of the year where you can actually start to use them. Oh, isn't it nice? Here's your controls for your climate control as well if you don't want to use the touchscreen. And then this big, huge center console here. So inside here we've got our cup holders, a little bit of storage down in here, And then here we've got a 12 volt, and then check this out. Look at this. I'm going to push this button. Look what happens in the back. We have a power sunshade in the rear. I mean, we're not driving a limousine, but that's pretty cool. Look at the nice dash here we got going on. I mean, this is a really, really, really well-equipped vehicle. Obviously with the heated, air-conditioned seats, navigation, Sony audio, and only 146,000 kilometers. This is a beautiful find. So please come here to Gus Brown in Port Perry. Take this out for a drive. I think that's really going to seal the deal for you. It drives so nice. That V6 is so quiet, and it's got the power to boot. And I mean, this thing's in great shape. So come check it out. Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to see who picks up this great find.